Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Abdullah. I am going to tell you this week's top news. Recorded case. On Tuesday, 25th of May, the British Virgin Islands High Court unfreezed PIA's assets and returned the hotels Roosevelt and Scribe Hotel Paris to the PIA. Tetsian Copper Company's plea against Pakistan was rejected. The company can appeal against the judgment till 4th of June 2021. This judgment is regarded as Pakistan's one of the best law victories. It is between Tethian Copper Company versus the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Next. Pak-US ties for airbase. There is much uncertainty and confusion as the US seeks air bases from the neighboring countries of Afghanistan to monitor Afghanistan after the withdrawal of all forces from there. And USA claims that they will be having a base in Pakistan, while Pakistan's Foreign Office rejects any chance of a USA base in Pakistan, and several other federal government officials also rejected the possibility. Taliban spokesperson warns bordering countries to not give any base to USA as it will still have power in Asia if we give them bases. Bandit rule in Sindh and federal intervention. Operations against bandits in interior Sindh are ongoing by the Sindh police, but due to the lack of equipment and weapons, 3 police officers got shaheed and several were injured. Journalists accused People's Party's leaders of backing the bandits and restricting Sindh police. Due to the lack of operational plannings, Sindh police is considered failed. So the federal government wants the intervention of rangers and army in the operation. The interior minister also visited Karachi to report to the prime minister. This is a picture courtesy ummatnews.pk. It shows the bandits leaders. Metric intermediate and OA level examination. The Ministry of Education has announced the metric and intermediate examination start in last week of June, while the government has provided the NOC to the Cambridge University to hold OA level examination from 26th of July to 6th of August. Due to COVID-19, exams will be like mini exam series from which you will only attend selected subjects. Pakistan export increase. Pakistan export has increased by 13.4% in last 10 months according to the Ministry of Trade, and Pakistan sees increase of trade with China in the increase of trade with China 70%. NAB recovery. National Accountability Bureau recovered rupees 487.5 billion in 3 years of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government. Prime Minister of Pakistan Mr. Imran Khan says that in last 20 years NAB only recovered around 220.2 billion rupees. In our 3 years it has recovered 487.5 billion rupees as a sign of free and fair inquiry and trial. Pak-Vac vaccine COVID-19. Pakistan has locally manufactured the single-dose Sinovac vaccine with the help of China. Since it's produced in Pakistan, it has been named Pak-Vac. Pakistan COVID-19 positivity rate. On 27th of May 2021, Pakistan recorded lowest positivity rate in 3 months, 2.2%. It is a good sign, and after this, the governments may start easing coronavirus restrictions. FBR allowed to tax. FBR has been allowed to impose new taxes on tobacco and sugary drinks. Taxes on tobacco were allowed on the urge of the Health Ministry, while Pakistan Diabetes Association urged the government to increase taxes on sugary beverages from 10% to 20%. The beverages include cold drinks, juices, and energy drinks. So that's all from this week's news. See you next time.